Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shireen. So in today's video I'll be showing you how do I do it simple white and gold luxury tray. So here I am pouring a white resin. Um, the pigment which I'm using is Epoke ultra white pigment. I'll be listing all the materials in the description box below. So I won't be pouring on the entire tray because I think less is more. So I'm just covering small portion of the tray. I'm pouring white right now, and then I've taken gold. This is gold powder. It is the best I've been using so far, and there are so many in the market. You can use any you want. So just like I do my waves in the ocean pieces, the same way I'm pouring gold, and then I'm tilting the tables, not table, tilting the tray, just to spread the resin a little more. Now I am pouring again white, and then again I'll be pouring gold to give the layers, just like that. You can pour it in any way you want. I'm so sorry, I'm coming in front of the camera. I didn't realize that because it was on the stand and there was very much less space, I would say. So once it is done, I'll be giving a little heat with my heat gun. This is Stenil, I think, heat gun. I don't know the name. It's made in Germany. It's the best so far I've been using. So just to move the gold a little bit on white, I'm using the heat, and now I'm spraying some isopropyl alcohol. So once I was done, I was thinking that it is really too plain and simple, and I wanted to give some 3D effect. So I'm using some mirror stones which I really like, and this is a shell, and on top of it I'll be putting pearl, which I really love because I think it is complementing with each other. Now I'm pouring some resin on top of it so that it should get stuck and it should not come out. Now I'm pouring some more stones. These are the tempered glass stone and more mirror stones. So once I'll be happy with the look, I'll stop putting the stones for sure. But here I'm pouring more resin on top of it. So this is a really fast video because I've been pouring and pouring and looking and seeing to make the best look out of it. I have hidden the shell a little bit because I think just a little show of the shell would be nicer than the entire shell to be visible. So this is my entire piece and I totally love it. I hope you like it too. If you like, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care of yourself. Be safe. Bye bye.